When you link to a table in HTML file, Access creates a new table often referred to as a linked table. The linked table shows the data from the source file, but it does not actually store the data in the database. Access links to the data in the HTML table tag. See the example HTML table in the HTML file. Salary field's data type is currency. You can see the first record has text in salary field. Let's see how Access handles invalid data. Close the HTML file. On the External Data tab in the Import and Link group, click on New Data Source. Select From File and then HTML Document from the shortcut menu. The Get External Data HTML Document wizard is displayed. In the file name text box, type the name of the source HTML file or click on Browse to display the File Open dialog box. Browse to the location and choose the source HTML file. Click on Open. Select Link to the data source by creating a link table and then click on OK. The Link HTML wizard starts and leads you through the linking process. Select Show HTML Tables. Access lists the tables in the HTML file. Select the table you want to link and click on Next. If the first row of the source HTML file contains the field names, select First row contains column headings. Access uses these column headings to name the fields in the linked table. You can change these names either during or after the linking operation. Click on Next. Click on Advanced button to launch the Import Specification dialog box. You can select how date, time, and number fields are formatted. In the field information table, you can review and change the name and data type of the destination field if you want. To completely skip a source column, select the checkbox for the column you want to skip. You can save these specs for future use by clicking on Save As. If you have any previously saved specs, you can click on Specs. Import Export Specifications dialog box opens. To use any one of the specs, click on Open or click on Cancel to close the dialog box. Click on OK to apply all the changes. You can review and change the field properties. Click on a column in the lower half of the page to display the corresponding field's properties. Indexed is disabled. Access allows to change the column name, data type, and skip a source column by selecting Do Not Import field. Click on Next. Specify a name for the destination link table. Click on Finish. Access attempts to create the link table. If the table is successfully created, Access displays the message Finished Linking Table. Access creates the link table Customers. In the navigation pane, the link table is represented with an arrow and a table icon. Move the cursor onto the link table name to see the source file. Open the linked table and review the fields and data to make sure you see the correct data in all the fields. Notice that in the salary field of first record, #num error is displayed because the data in HTML table was invalid. You cannot change the contents and structure of a linked table because it's read-only. Any changes that you make to the source file are automatically reflected in the linked table. Open the source file. Change the salary to $150K for the first record. Save the file. Now go back to the link table and see that the changes are reflected. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.